Attention, emergency release. A virus unknown to science is spreading at breakneck speed throughout the world. We kindly ask you not to leave your home unless absolutely necessary. The disease manifests itself with the following symptoms: skin discoloration, insatiable hunger, unreasonable aggression. Come on, relax. If the zombie apocalypse does happen, then not today. But what will you do if it really does happen? No, we're not paranoid. We just think it's best to be prepared for everything. So, in today's episode, we'll tell you how to prepare for a worldwide invasion of walkers. Let's go. Let's start with the most important thing: food. To feel more or less comfortable in a zombie apocalypse, you need to stock up on provisions for at least 2 days. And we're not talking about fried chicken and potatoes now. No, we need any freeze-dried and canned foods. That is, those that they can be stored for a long time without refrigeration. We also recommend choosing based on usefulness, not delicacy. After all, we're not going on a picnic. Canned fish, stewed meat, dried meat, instant porridge, energy bars, even army dry rations. If you find them, these are the products that will have the greatest value. As for water, it's best to have a bottle with you with a water purifier filter that removes all bacteria. This, of course, won't save you, but you can replenish your supply in any body of water. It's perfectly suitable for drinking water, a very useful thing. With food and water sorted out, it's time to think about your health, because after the end of the world, any even minor illness can lead to a very tragic outcome. You won't go to the hospital, and here we say, thank you to the Calamon Company. They released an excellent first aid kit with more than 200 medical supplies. You can treat any wounds and avoid blood poisoning, as well as cope with infections thanks to highly effective medications. In general, you can provide any necessary medical assistance. Calamon specializes in products for tourism and outdoor activities, so you can find everything you need to save your life or that of a friend in a critical situation. What else might be useful for survival? For example, the tactical multi-tool MAD IID from Lehrman. Multi-tools are generally necessary in any survival situation, and in principle, any will do. However, this multi-tool has a bronze carbon scraper, wire cutters, a serrated knife, a hole for a cleaning rod, adapters for brushes, a cleaning rod, and much more. With such a universal tool, you will practically have no unsolvable problems, and for ease of transportation, the multi-tool comes in a black sheath. Well, it seems that everything is food and water. You have a first aid kit. There's even a tool that can pull out, saw out, open, or retrieve anything. Well, yes, now you're ready for the zombie apocalypse. Wait, zombie, that's who we forgot. You're not going on a hike. These walking pieces of rotten meat won't let you just sit in your hut, get food, and calmly spend your difficult post-apocalyptic days. We'll definitely need a weapon, so where do we start? We'll start with a combat crossbow. We all know that loud noises can attract zombies' attention, so firearms aren't suitable. You shoot one, and in return you get 100. No thanks. Anyone who watched The Walking Dead knows how useful a crossbow is in a post-apocalyptic world. Thanks, Dixon, of course. Modern combat crossbows are usually equipped with a telescopic sight and LED pointers, making them a very formidable weapon. However, a crossbow has a low rate of fire, and hitting a target without preparation is difficult. It's unlikely the undead will wait for you to aim. If these creatures get too close and things are starting to get heated, it's time to forget about noise and put them to use. After watching a huge number of zombie movies and TV shows, we came to the conclusion that a shotgun is just what the doctor ordered. And what gun could be better than a Mossberg? None. However, that's not all. You'll need something for close combat, and an M48 bayonet and axe are ideal for that. This lightweight axe has a stainless steel blade, which is ideal for silently killing suddenly awakened corpses. It is wrapped in meters of detachable paracord and comes with a carabiner and compass. It will also be an excellent assistant in obtaining branches for starting a fire and butchering game. Well, it's probably time to finish our preparations for the zombie apocalypse. So, at the moment, we have a ton of things with us. But how to take all this with us is unlikely to be possible in our pockets. Therefore, you need a backpack in which you can easily carry all your supplies of food, water, weapons, and other useful things. The team of specialists at Maxpedition designed a durable bag created exclusively for extreme and adventure trips. The backpack even has a compartment for water with a capacity of up to 3 liters. You can also attach another reservoir to one of the 2 large compartments. It also has 5 independent and 2 hidden compartments equipped with various devices for organizing portable equipment. That's all. You're ready now. If a zombie apocalypse occurs and our world is filled with the Walking Dead, you'll at least be able to outlast your short-sighted comrades. And at most, you'll live until a cure for this disease is invented. Moreover, even if you accidentally become a zombie yourself, with such a set of things, you can easily hunt humans. Yes, cool gadgets, future technologies, amazing inventions, and other cool tech-related features are on the Peak Forge channel. Subscribe. You won't regret it. Link on the screen and in the description. That's all for today.